Well, I think I'm done with Manali, given all the congestion and everything. I think I'm just gonna scoot out. So many cars, so many vehicles. It's a beautiful valley, but not for me. I'm not even sure where to go, here or there. It's so fucking complicated. ये रास्ता नहीं है क्या? नहीं, ये रास्ता नहीं है. Nope. Damn. The valley itself is so magnificent. I mean, I've always been such a big fan of this valley. It's beyond stunning. I mean, I've used the word a lot of times for a lot of valleys, but look at the magnificence of this place. It's so huge. On a big valley, river on the side. I just wish it was little less discovered, little less commercial. I mean, it's hard to beat. I've been to so many valleys. I've been driving around for a month now in Himachal, and trust me, Manali is Manali. Is Manali, is Manali. It's, oh my god, you know, it's definitely Manali, you know. There is a reason it is Manali. But then, well, the curse, it is crowded, it is populated, it is dense, and it is getting more crowded every day. Ah, sigh. The beauty is making it into a beast. Well, that's the reality of the situation. Still, it's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's so beautiful. The views, the valley, the everything about it is mind-blowing. I love it. But can't handle it, can't handle the crowds, can't handle the cars, can't handle the people, unless I have to. And tonight, I don't have to. So, I'm gonna rush out. I'm rushing out. Toodles Manali. Some other time, sweetheart. Some other time. Ah, look at this. Oh, beauty. Wow, this tunnel seems to be awesome. If you check the other video a few days back, the Odd tunnel, you can see how rough it was. But this tunnel is a new one, and see how smooth it is, yeah? Where am I? Bias River somewhere, Bata. That's what the map says. But let me take a picture as well. So a new adventure begins. I was crossing Pando. I was actually going to Beer. It started showing at 7, then 7:30, then 8. I was not sure what was happening. And I got super pissed. At Pando, I decided I don't want to go to Beer. Suddenly, I don't know, I started navigating to someplace else. Then I asked it to take me to Delhi. Fuck, I am not going to Beer. And it has taken me to some road, I don't know where. But wherever this is very nice. This is country road. This is how I like life again. And unknown roads, single roads. I'm not complaining. Let's see how long the dream lasts. I'm here all by myself, loving it, enjoying it, and it's a beautiful valley. It's not a race, it's not a rally, and I'm back in the mountains with some life. अब थोड़ा सा फिर मैं thank God, no more Manali. I can breathe. Look at this. छोटी छोटी गलियां, छोटे छोटे खेत. Yeah. And some sunshine is back. The temperature is very cozy, 25 degrees. Oh, sweet. The sky is blue, the leaves are green, and things are chill again. Yay. Well, the road has been absolutely beautiful and fantastic till now. I was stopped by Himachal police for a routine check, and apparently I almost have a flat tire on this side, which is my front left. So they asked me to rush to the petrol pump at Chail Chowk, which is the next destination, next town, and there's so that I can get a few air pump there and get the tire fixed. Otherwise, I will be in a mess in the jungle. Okay, so I'm in the Chail Chowk, so let's get the tire fixed first. And I think I'm gonna stay at the same hotel where I was at the last time, if you remember. And do I have the U-Bahn cable that I need to fix? Oh well, let's get the tire fixed first and then we will see what to do next. Yeah. Okay, where is the tire shop? So this is Chail Chowk, I remember for sure. From here we went to Devi Dutt and Devi Dhad and Shikari Devi and other side. Yeah. So first tire shop and then we will do further vlogging from there. Hello, see it. So this is the condition of the tire and you can see the cuts here and the cuts here. We'll see if it survives. Let's get the air in and see how it behaves first. दोबारा लो जी, ये चैल चौक वाले ठाकुर साहब हैं, इन्होंने हमारी मसक्कली के भी हवा टॉप अप कर दी है. ठीक है जी, अब आपका ब्लॉग में हमारे नाम आ गया, यूट्यूब पर डालना है मैंने इसे. थैंक यू सो मच भाई. चलो जी, नाम तिलक राज. लो जी, उस्ताद जी हमारे मसक्कली की हवा चेक करने लगे हैं अब. ये चली हुई है जी बड़े लंबे टूर पे.
कहाँ गए थे आप लोग?
पता नहीं, पूछो मत जी कहाँ के आई है ये. पूरा हिमाचल ही घुमा दिया मैंने.
स्पेशल आया घूमने?
ओ पूछो ना जी.
चलो अच्छी बात है.
मार रहा है बबल?
1 मिनट लग जाएगा.
अच्छा, बीच में भी लगा हुआ है. हाँ, ये मार रहा, ये लगा हुआ.
थोड़ा इसको तो गाड़ी को ना थोड़ा आगे जैसे करो, इधर जैसे आए.
ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा हिलाता हूँ. मार रहा है ना, ये मार रहा है. देखो, हाँ भाई, ये राजी देखो पंचर. ये पुलिस वाले ने रोका ना पीछे.
अच्छा. तो
बैठ रही थी गाड़ी, उन्होंने छोड़ दिया मेरे को, इसलिए जा भाग चैल फटाफट चैल चौक, वरना तेरी गाड़ी बैठ जाएगी. मैं कहा जान बची, चलो इसी बहाने.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं तंग करते.
नहीं, हाँ, हिमाचल पुलिस बड़ी प्यारी है भाई.
ऐसे तंग नहीं करते.
बिल्कुल नहीं करते सर.
जब गलत करोगे तब तो सभी गलत होंगे.
नहीं, वो तो है ही सर, बिल्कुल सही बात है. हिमाचल के लोग वैसे ही बहुत बढ़िया हैं.
चलो अपनी जगह में सारे बढ़िया, आप ही होंगे बढ़िया.
यार हम दिल्ली वाले थोड़े ऐसे ही, आपको पता ही है. फिर झूठ क्यों बोलूं मैं. भाई भी हंस रहे हैं. ठीक है भी, चलो पंचर लग रहा है हमारा, है ना. मैं सेवा ऊपर कराता हूँ अंकल जी को, इतनी देर है ना. राइट, सो बैक एट रीत होम स्टे, द रैंडमनेस कंटिन्यूज. और चैल चौक वही फिर घूमते फिरते. लगता है भाई दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा, अब तो कोई चारा नहीं है. ख़त्म हो गई मंजिलें, ख़त्म हो गए रास्ते, बट यू नेवर नो. आज का सिंपल डिनर, आलू दही की सब्जी जो भाई जी ने बना दी है, सिंपल रोटी, सैलड और आम. Let's get started. Well, just checked out of Chail Chowk and फिलहाल तो मैंने दिल्ली की डायरेक्शन लगा ली है. I have no idea where I'm headed. Feel like a homeless bum. हम किस गली जा रहे हैं कोई ठिकाना नहीं. देखते हैं रास्ते कहाँ ले जाते हैं. घर जाने का तो बिल्कुल भी कोई सीन नहीं है. ऐसी मजबूरी है. घर के कुत्ते नहीं, कुत्ते घर के ना घाट के, ये हालत हो रखी है. चलो, किस्मत है, अपनी अपनी डेस्टिनी है, कर्मों का फल. ऐसी सवेरे कुछ और, शाम कुछ और. सड़क छापी रहेगी भाई पूरी जिंदगी. At least the road is nice and views are nicer. चलो भाई चलो. right? So sudden change of plans. The GPS has now been instructed to take me to Rishikesh, and it is 7 hours away from where I am, wherever that might be, somewhere in Himachal Pradesh. So now instead of Delhi, we are being directed towards Rishikesh in Uttarakhand. गंगा किनारे चलो भाई चलो, देखते हैं क्या मिलता है वहाँ पे। पहुँचते हैं नहीं पहुँचते पहले तो ये सवाल है। मे बी well, I think it should not be a challenge क्योंकि it says 350 kilometers and I think it's making me to reach by 6 p.m, 6:30 p.m, maybe 7 p.m. I don't know. I need to have some food. I'm already hungry. Or maybe I'll take a break somewhere. Maybe I'll stop at Haridwar, maybe Chandigarh, maybe Paonta Sahib. I don't know where the route is going to take me from. I have no intention of going fast, so I'm chilling. Let's see how it pans out. Crazy, huh? Let's go. I think welcome to Punjab हो गया है मेरा. I'm super hungry. I have tummy issues. मैं KFC या Burger King ढूंढ रहा हूँ honestly speaking, या फिर एक लस्सी पीने के मूड में हूँ because I think lassi is gonna help my tummy. And the KFC and Burger King or McDonald's are safe for the time being. That's why one of those places. So गुरुद्वारा श्री पतालपुरी लिखा है कहीं साइड पे. चंडीगढ़ is straight somewhere. So precisely 300 kilometers for Rishikesh from wherever I am. So let's see. I still need to make a food break. I just told you, right? I need to eat and have a drink. My tummy hurts. So Punjab है तो लस्सी तो मिल ही जानी है अब. I think I'm gonna make a pit stop at any dhaba first and have a lassi to soothe my tummy acids, and then remove my jacket because it's already 32 degrees, and then shoot further ahead and then see how Delhi is. You can see the signboards 323 while Rishikesh is 300, so not bad. चलिए फिर. Okay, oh wow, what a shot. Let's go. Well, अभी तक मैं 2 जगह गाड़ी रोक के ट्राई कर चुका हूँ. एक जगह दोनों ट्रक वाले ढाबे, एक जगह तो भाई वो पता नहीं कोई घटिया सा दही निकाल के लस्सी बना रहा था जिसमें मलाई का कोई स्कोप नहीं है, डब्बे वाला प्लास्टिक के, और एक जगह वो प्लास्टिक की थैली दे रहा था, मतलब यू नो विरका बोल रहा था बट इट वाज सम रैंडम ब्रांड, सो आई स्किप्ड इट. डैम भाई, मतलब Punjab, what is happening to you? Where is your real dahi? Where is malai on dahi? I want lassi right now. Good lassi, bro. yaar. 2 dhabe have disappointed me. I thought truckers would like the good stuff, but what is happening? Huh? Damn. चलो भाई कोई नहीं, अब लस्सी हंट कंटिन्यूज. असली लस्सी पीनी है मेरे को यार. आई डोंट वांट बुलशिट. हाँ, दिल्ली आओ यार, मैं पिलाता हूँ तुम्हें असली लस्सी यार. कुंडे वाले दूध की, कुंडे वाले दही की, है ना, मिट्टी के कसूरे में जमे हुए दही की लस्सी यार हमारे यहाँ मिलती है यार. ये क्या थैलियों वाली लस्सी पी रहे हो यार तुम लोग, फ्रॉड. हाँ. Oh well, finally Masakali and me somewhere in Punjab. KFC type दिख गया है. I think it's going to be okay for my tummy. A portion of zinger and fries is gonna stitch me up, at least for the time being. Let's rush. There is Burger King as well, but I think KFC a zinger is what I prefer usually. Let's get on with it. बहुत भूख लगी है. Okay. Well, here we go. Boring. Not really, but been a while. Yeah, I've been in Himachal for so long. Comfort food. Not comfort food, but yeah, once in a while, because the tummy is going for a toss. Dead food. That will do nothing to your tummy. Just fill it up. That's why you eat it. Alright, so where is the music first? So it was a very satisfying meal. It has set me back by 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Now my ETA to Rishikesh is 7 o'clock, 7:05 p.m. Earlier it was 6:22. So around 43 minutes I had my food and a break. Not bad. At least I have some protein in my tummy and some water and all those things. I think it should hold me good till the evening now. I might be able to drive the whole stretch at a go now. Let's see how the conditions are. Might have to make a fuel stop on the way. Let's see how the economy goes. But it's a pleasant day. The temperature is 33 degrees. I've removed my jacket and I'm in the flow. I have no intention of speeding. I have no intention of reaching fast. I think by the time I'm in Rishikesh, it's still going to be daylight. So going to be nice and pleasant here. Let's enjoy the ride. So I think this is where the route for Rishikesh and Delhi separates from Ambala. We take a diversion from here and
meters, turn left onto National Highway 344 GM, National Highway 444A.
okay, so we will take, let's see how, so right now I'm in Ambala, 190 kilometers from Rishikesh. So till here it's been road to Delhi. I think Paonta Sahib is from where we're gonna go. Or Puran Singh ka dhaba. But I don't think I'm gonna make a stop here. My tummy does not allow. Lassi is still something I can crave. I am craving for. I'm thirsty. But let's first navigate and see where we are. Let's cross Ambala. Oh shit, am I stuck somewhere? No. Okay, am I supposed to go straight? Yes. And I'm supposed to take left, okay. Later guys. Oh well, welcome to Ambala. Let's cross it. ठेका शराब का भाई लस्सी पिला दो शराबें नहीं पीनी मैंने दोपहर हो रही है Where is लस्सी 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 मुझे लोग बोले ठंडी लस्सी मीठी लस्सी लोग बोले I want लस्सी bitch please Where is my music Alright so been a while that I entered Ambala but I'm not entering Ambala actually I'm headed to Rishikesh as you all know if you have been following this video so let's zip through Rishikesh is here are the dynamics 3 hours 57 minutes 189 kilometers 444A that's a highway number or something let's float the sky is blue the day is sunny let's go so after a really bad patch of the road after Ambala this is a very smooth road right now looks like something made brand new I think Prime Minister was here for a rally or something that's why the road is here in the meantime that's the stats for Rishikesh I am 3 hours 11 minutes away 155 kilometers temperature is 32 degrees comfortably cruising at 80 kilometers per hour not in a hurry trying to maximize my fuel economy Wow. I've been on road for so long and going solo, so saving the environment, saving money, saving petrol, everything. So taking it easy peasy, saving anxiety. And as soon as I said the road was smooth as fuck, I think here comes the yep, that was the limit of it. The construction work and everything I can see now. So that's it. Let me just get back on the road. Okay. More from the road a little bit later. ये भैया एक्सप्रेस वे से भी मैंने लेफ्ट लिया है. कितना रह गया ऋषिकेश यहाँ से? 77 बता रहे हैं ना. कौन सा गांव है अपना ये
गगल हेड़ी है.
गगल
हेड़ी.
कागल हेड़ी. और आपका नाम?
प्रवीण चौहान.
प्रवीण चौहान भाई जी. चलो यार, मैं तो YouTube का व्लॉग बना रहा हूँ, मैंने कहा आपको भी डाल देंगे. चल रहा है ऐसी लंबी यात्रा पे निकले हुए हम. लो भाई जी, ये प्रवीण चौहान भाई है. आज मसक्कली की
फॉलो करें भैया को.
थैंक यू. मसक्कली की आज ये सेवा कर रहे हैं. पूरा अपना क्या रेट चल रहा है इधर? 95 ही है, महंगा नहीं है. ठीक है जी. अभी एक्सप्रेस वे से उतरे हम. बढ़िया रोड बना हुआ है. आगे भी रोड ठीक है. चलो यार, आगे कौन सा एरिया पड़ेगा हमारा? उत्तराखंड आ गया. अब ये हम उत्तराखंड में, अब अभी यूपी में है. तेल ठीक है हमारा. चलिए देखते हैं. एवरेज बढ़िया निकलनी चाहिए अब. अरे वाह, कार्ड चल रहे हैं हमारे. ठीक है जी. तो जी हमारी गाड़ी चली है 630 और आया है 3580 रुपये का तेल. 37 लीटर 3759. ओके, सो वी कैन डू द मैथ्स लेटर. 3759, 3580 समथिंग का तेल. अब हम ट्रिप मीटर को कर देते हैं रीसेट. मैच करते रहेंगे बाद में. एंग्जाइटी कम हुई. गाड़ी में 2-2.5 लीटर तेल ही बचा था. मतलब ओनली 2.5 लीटर्स फ्यूल वॉज लेफ्ट. नाउ आई नीड टू defuel myself somewhere in the bushes before I proceed further. You know what I mean, right? Someone is also defueling on the background. Oh, that's relief. But after the smoothness of the highway, after the refueling, suddenly things went south and it's been a horrible drive one way. And I'm in this shitty city called Bhagwanpur. What a messy place. Well, not the messiest of places, but one of the places there. Look at this uncle going wrong side. Yeah, one of the places definitely I would love to drive. It was all going smooth till I entered this place. 60 kilometers, 2 hours. Are you freaking kidding me? I mean, look at this. Half an hour just added to my GPS for nothing. I think peak hours last. It's already 5:30. 2 hours of some peak shit I have to handle now. Somewhere I have to take left here now. Damn. What the hell, GPS? Oh. Similar ETA straight. I think I'll keep straight. I'm not turning in this lane. Seems like a bad idea. I'll go straight. We'll see what happens. Similar ETA says straight, so I'll keep straight. Nothing much has flipped, so we'll keep straight, yeah? Let's see. Well, the horrible driving experience continues in UP. One-way road, loads of traffic. Though this one is still better, but I made a pit stop. Let's see if I can find a lassi. Oh, पूछते हैं बाजी से. Finally, my lassi with some malai and some fig rosa. Damn, come a long way for this. Guru Nanak Dhaba, somewhere before Hardwar. Girls, Chanda Mama is somewhere out there and is looking very dangerous. I mean, he or she, them, they has no right. It's a full moon. Ye accident kara ke hi manenge na. Getting all the attention on the road. Look at them. Look at that.
In 400
Yeah.
meters, turn right to stay on Kawad Marg, Haridwar Road ki Canal
Oh,
Road.
we are here now. Almost. of Ganges or one of its canals or channels. So Ganga Kinare, Dil Hai Pukare, almost. I'm wondering if I should go to Rishikesh tonight
Turn
or
right to stay on Kawad Marg, Haridwar Roorkee Canal Road. then
Should
turn left
I-
onto National Highway 334.
stay in Haridwar or somewhere random and go to some place.
Continue on Kawad Marg,
Tomorrow.
Haridwar Roorkee Canal Road for 2 kilometers.
Let's see, because I was checking some accommodations online and it's being a Saturday and seems like everything is full or getting full in Rishikesh, at least online. So not sure what the actual status is on the ground, but it actually might be really crowded out there. So dang, the moon. Let's see. Oh, there are hotels on the other side of the road. There is a parallel road which GPS wanted me to go to. I did not because I was busy talking to the camera. I don't mind. This road is smooth and nice after a long time. Look at that. Delicious. The moon. All right. So let's see how the day ends, because it's anyhow getting nighty night, and I would not say there isn't much to do in Rishikesh or Haridwar in night, but still, let's see where I end up the day. चलो करते हैं बात थोड़ी देर में. The entire situation in Rishikesh has been so effed. It's been few hours that I have been stuck in traffic. I think it's 9:30, and thankfully I kind of little know Rishikesh, so if I were to believe GPS, Lakshman Jhula is another half an hour away, but I think I kind of know where I am. So I am on my, I think I'm near Lakshman Jhula now, but got into couple of Kali Galoch in traffic, and oh my god, what a day, man. There's so much bheed here, so much crowd, it's hard to believe. No wonder I don't come to Rishikesh anymore. And it's a Saturday night, all hell is breaking loose. People are going crazy. It's like Goa. Yeah, that's the closest I can think right now. Yeah, it's like Goa. The dresses are like Goa, the scooties are like Goa. Maybe only thing missing is alcohol. But yeah, that's the kind of vibe right now. That's what I feel. Yeah, but let's see if I can get a nice room or something for a decent budget. Ola Hostel and Cafe. Damn, I think I'll manage something as soon as I get a car to park. There should be plenty of accommodation around. Should not be a challenge, because Rishikesh is oversupplied, I think. Chalo, dekhte hain. It's 11 and there is no accommodation in Rishikesh. किसी ने मेरे ये संत सेवा आश्रम, भैया आप आश्रम से हैं? सॉरी, आप आश्रम से हैं?
इधर ही से
हैं? कोई रिसेप्शन पे है?
कोई नहीं है,
कोई नहीं है अब? तो अभी कोई अकोमोडेशन मिलने का चांस नहीं है? रूम
रूम तो अभी
खाली भी नहीं है? डॉर्मेट्री वगैरह भी नहीं?
डॉर्मेट्री
कुछ नहीं है? चलिए ठीक है, वैसे कोई बात नहीं. आपके वैसे पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स भी हैं यहाँ पे? कॉमन टॉयलेट्स भी हैं?
ये रखा था
इधर है ना? चलो मैं देखता हूँ. इसमें कमरा तो मिला नहीं है. भाई जी ने लस्सी पिला दी आज, दूसरी लस्सी दिन की. अब पेट दर्द हो रहा है, क्या करें. क्या नाम है भैया जी आपके ढाबे का? वो तो ठीक है, ढाबे का नाम तो बता दो. लक्ष्मण झूला कैफ़े. लो भैया जी के आशीर्वाद से दूसरी लस्सी चल रही है आज. लक्ष्मण झूला कैफ़े. आफ्टर फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस एट ऋषिकेश, दिल्ली से अब मैं ओनली 130 किलोमीटर्स रह गया हूँ. आई थिंक 120. रात के बजे हैं 2:30 और फाइनली मेरे को मिक्स, हाँ जी भाई जी, थैंक यू, मिक्स वेज रायता और सिंपल येलो दाल एंड सम राइस फॉर माई सिक टमी. कोई पारस ढाबा है समवेयर ऑन द हाईवे. डार्क डेजर्टेड तो नहीं है बट हाँ हाईवे है और मुस्तकिल खड़ी है. तो दिस इज़ माई मील. चल रहा है आज का खाना. जय श्री राम. वेल हेलो फ्रॉम प्रगति मैदान टनल. I don't know how many years it has taken these people to complete it. But I'll tell you what, Himachal tunnels, they're better than this Pragati Maidan tunnels. They're smoother. I think they're better designed as well. Damn. Alright.